utuku wa gukia umuthi uma wa gicanjama thukuru-ini uyu wa airitu wa Annester Precious thutha wa Imwana makirigana rimwe kuma thukuru wa Annester Boys na uria uri uraya wa kilomita 2 kuhithukira thukuru uyu. Ni giiko kirokire kurekererio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ni ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa DCI na aria maugite gitumi kia Imwana ici kuhithukira thukuru uyu gitiri kirakurikana. Kuhithukira ndumiriri ino maabitha a borithi kuma ceceni ya borithi ya Githioro nio marekinyire thukuru-ini uyu thutha wa mbugiririo cia airitu indi ona thengia ya gwikinyia kwa maabitha aya Imwana ici irathire na mbere na kuriaria thukuru-ini uyu undu uria uracungiriirie borithi kurathukia riera-ini na kuri Imwana 10 iraikirio ngono guku ingi igithara mutito-ini wa nduma. No kuringana na County Commissioner wa Naikuru Erastus Mbui, Imwana ingi 60 ni irokire guikio ngono kirugo kia umuthi igicokereria thukuru na gukinyiria namba ya nyanake 70 iria irathuthurio hari giiko giki.
70 of them. Of course, 10 of them are those who were arrested, and the other 60 were intercepted in the morning as they were trying to return back to school, having spent the night out. And the school population is huge, so probably because of the expression of this pressure in being in school, we don't want them to disrupt the other learners who are willing to continue with running without any disturbances.
Na umuthi maabitha ugitiri kuma ruhonge rwa DCI na aria githomo matinda mihango ya uthuthuria thukuru-ini ici cieri. County Commissioner Mbui akiuga 70 aya megukorwo magithie na mbere na igirani cio cia muthia wa mwaka keheri-ini na aria angi itemi-ini ria kurigiriria ciiko makiria cia waganu. Makiria ni ongereire ati aciari ao ni marikitie kumenyithio na kurio mahariririe kuria ciana ciao igukorwo igaikara na guthie thukuru guikarira igeranio ciao.
It is now upon their parents who will be able to make arrangement for where they can stay, as their only consideration to enter the school is being candidates.
Ni giiko gikirite njiriri ugitiri wa Arutwo mari thukuru na gucambicura mikana na mawatho ma ministry no ya githomo mari gathikite hari kurungiriria mikire ya maundu ruhonge-ini ruru rwa mathomo. Giribotera Kameme TV kuma itura ria Murunyu gicigo mbunge kia Bahati kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa maina.